Microsoft has architected what they call the golden path for building enterprise AI applications on Azure. This isn't just another reference architecture, it's a comprehensive blueprint that integrates agents, models, observability, and orchestration into a cohesive system. Let me break down how these components work together. At the foundation, you have Azure AI Foundry with standard setup. This is your control plane, providing built-in AI tools including file search and code interpreter. Think of these as your AI primitives, ready-to-use capabilities that every enterprise AI application needs. The architecture divides into three key pillars: agents, models, and observability. This separation isn't arbitrary. It's how you build AI systems that actually scale and maintain in production. On the agent side, you have your AI orchestration layer. Multiple third-party agents can integrate here: Slack, Teams, Google Chat, Messenger, and others, giving you flexibility in how users interact with your AI. These agents connect to bot service channels, which handle the messaging infrastructure and user interface layer. The models section shows your AI inference options. You can use Azure AI OpenAI models, meta models through Azure, or Hugging Face models, all accessible through standard APIs. This model flexibility means you're not locked into a single provider. Need GPT-4 for complex reasoning? Use Azure AI OpenAI. Need cost-effective inference? Switch to open source models. Your application code doesn't change. Observability is critical and often overlooked. This architecture makes monitoring a first-class citizen. You can track model performance, agent behavior, and user interactions, essential for debugging, compliance, and continuous improvement. Now, the real power comes from the Microsoft Agent Framework, the multi-agent orchestrator that coordinates everything. This isn't a simple chatbot wrapper. It's a sophisticated orchestration layer that manages multiple agents, routes requests, maintains context, and coordinates responses across your AI ecosystem. Below the main platform, you have three integration layers that connect your AI to the enterprise: external APIs through open API specs let your agents call third-party services; MCP servers, Model Context Protocol, enable standardized communication between AI components; and A2A servers, agent-to-agent communication for complex multi-agent workflows. At the infrastructure level, you have two deployment options: Fabric and SharePoint integration for lightweight scenarios where you need AI embedded in existing Microsoft tooling, or containers, Azure Container Ops, and similar services for full-scale production deployments with complete control over scaling, networking, and security. Four types of resources power everything. BYO resources, bring your own, include Cosmos DB for thread storage, managing conversation history and state; Key Vault for secure credential storage because API keys and secrets need proper protection; Azure Storage for file persistence, documents, images, data files your agents process; and Azure AI Search for file search indexing, enabling semantic search across your knowledge base. AI tool resources extend functionality. Azure AI Search provides intelligent document retrieval. Grounding with Bing Search connects your agents to real-time web information. Logic apps enable complex workflow automation. Azure Functions run custom code when you need capabilities beyond standard tools. Three critical architectural principles make this the golden path. First, standardization. Using Azure AI Foundry's standard setup means you're following Microsoft's best practices, getting updates automatically, and benefiting from their security hardening. Second, composability. Mix and match agents, models, and tools based on your specific needs. Start simple, add complexity as requirements grow. Third, enterprise ready. Observability, security through Key Vault, scalable infrastructure, and multi-channel support aren't afterthoughts. They are foundational. Why this architecture matters? Most organizations build AI applications by stitching together disparate tools. A model API here, a vector database there, some custom code to glue it together. That works for demos, but breaks in production. The golden path gives you a proven architecture that handles real-world complexity: multi-agent coordination, model flexibility, production observability, secure secret management, and scalable deployment options. Microsoft didn't design this in a vacuum. This architecture emerged from building AI applications at enterprise scale, learning what breaks, and engineering solutions. It's the path that actually ships AI applications that stay shipped.